If you get into an accident and your car gets really mangled up, one of the questions we get asked a lot is, when are they going to total my vehicle? Well, the adjuster's going to go out, he's going to take a look at your car, and they're going to put an estimate together to see how much it's going to cost to repair your car, to get it back to driving, to get it back to where it was before the accident. If the cost to repair is 75% of the actual value at the time you had the accident, the actual value of your car, then they're going to total out the vehicle. Now, you might have some questions about, well, I don't want it totaled out, or I definitely do want it totaled out, or what if it's 70, or what if it's 80%? Then what? Then where do we land on the line? Work with your agent closely, because the agent's job is to make sure that claim is handled fairly and the way you like it handled, to make sure that it's fair and it's settled in a smooth fashion. There's a lot of gray areas, and the agent works to make sure that you're satisfied and that everything is handled fair from the company and through you.